Look at Bitcoin. All right, we're going to look at some price targets here coming up, see what's going on with this thing, and show you what's up here next. We got some exciting stuff going on here. So first off, I got some really big news to show you guys. This is pretty crazy. Just came out today. You got Kamala Harris's team wants to take a position on crypto. Probably this is the reason why. All right, if we come down through here, I see that Trump has made a comment down here, right here. Trump, meanwhile, has pledged to end an unlawful and un-American crackdown on the U.S. crypto industry and has reportedly called himself the first crypto president. All right, that's huge, 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 huge. He was against Bitcoin, a few years ago. So that's a massive turnaround. And to see Kamala Harris wanting to take her stance on it also, that's pretty massive. I mean, there's a lot of us crypto enthusiasts out there. So she said, I think there's really a fresh opportunity here for her to show leadership from the top of the Democratic Party. Crypto isn't going anywhere, and both campaigns need to talk about it. Yeah, it says here, stats show that 21% of Americans own crypto. That's a lot. That's a lot of people. All right, so that's pretty massive. 21% of Americans. So that is massive, massive news, guys. I know the Winklevoss twins, they donated $2 million in Bitcoin to Trump. So pretty massive. Absolutely huge for the crypto industry. Over here in the crypto bubbles, you can see here, having a really nice day out there. Bitcoin's up about $1,900. Things are looking great, guys. They really are. I mean, we got the Russell on the verge of a breakout. Just right there. It's right up in those ranges. If that thing takes off, this whole thing, the party's gonna get started here. So you can see here, Bitcoin is right up in that 702 retracement area off of this move that started back here, March 11th. All right, I've had a massive, kind of went sideways in here in a range, from 54 to 73,000. All right, now if we come out here, I want to show you something here. All right, as far as Elliott waves go, you can see through here we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves up in here. All right, if you come in here closer on a daily, all right, you can zoom in on this thing. Maybe let's go on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You had actually ended up having 5 waves down in here for a correction. I just wish you could see it a little bit better on this. Let's go in here on a 12. That don't help a lot either. All right, but you ended up having 5 waves down in here for corrective structure. All right, now we're over in this area here. Let me get this off here. Let's just clean this off real quick. All right, this structure in here is starting, and this is on a 12-hour chart. All right, you can see here this thing is you got, count this out. All right, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, looks like a 5th wave right there. Now if we go in a little bit tighter on a 1 hour, and we're breaking this down, you have to break these charts down, all right, to get anywhere with them. If you don't, you're not gonna have a clue what's going on out there with this stuff. All right, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 waves down. And then starting over here on this run, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so quite honestly, I would probably expect, and this is all going to be just a wave right here. This is all going to be a wave 1. All right, then you're going to have a 2-wave pullback, probably 50% or so, and then the march towards the upside. All right, but I would expect Bitcoin, maybe to slow down a little bit here pretty soon. It's up, $1,978, 67,778. All right, probably an ABC coming in here pretty soon. Let's take a look here. If you're interested in learning this stuff, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. We just nailed a Caspa trade. I put it in Discord about 45 minutes ago, and that thing's running up very nicely. But you get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting like this. And you also get a link to our Discord membership to come over there and start trading with us. All right, you would have made your money back today. It's only $15. So just the videos alone, you get over 22 videos to teach you how to start charting. All right, pretty important stuff to learn. All right, now here, you do have a, this thing could run one more march higher here, possibly up 68.7, right around there. If it breaks through here, if it takes out 68,000 bucks, look for 68,693. All right, that would be the last push up here. All right, the bigger move here for Bitcoin is obviously, let's take a look at this thing, 68,693. Let's put a line there. All right, 68,693. That put us against any major resistance areas? No, not really. It would look fine right there, okay? But this is one other thing I want to show you here. All right, you can see this massive, this wave 4 back, and this looks like apparently a 5th wave up here. You had that correction inside here. Where would this target be for this? And this is the bigger move, guys. This isn't going to get up here tomorrow. All right, this is going to take a little bit to play out. 71.5. Now, does that line up with any resistance areas? Let's put a line on that. All right, let's go out on a weekly and take a look. Sure does. All right, you can see all through up here, you have major resistance areas. All right, you have all kinds of, you have this top here, you have a double top scenario coming in. You have wicks up this way, all kinds of stuff. All right, so you would probably definitely get a pretty massive correction after that push up there to 71,572, and then after that we're looking for the big push up here up towards 86,000 bucks. All right, 86. This is where we started the charting, March 11th out through here. All right, and this would be the bigger move here. So we got some work to do before we head up towards this 86, but that is the bigger goal here. I would say within the next, I don't know, this could take a while to play out, a month, maybe more. All right, but 86,000 bucks. As long as Bitcoin is heading towards the upside or staying up here and not crashing, these altcoins are going to run. You have the weekly RSI heading up. You have the Russell about to break out. So things are going to get really exciting, guys. I'm pretty positive of that. Got a little bit of work to do here on this RSI too. All right, we do have lower highs, but it has some room to run up. You can see that rejection there. That needs busted. It is probably busting through that resistance here. Yeah, on the RSI. Let's put this on here correctly and see. Oops, right about there. Yeah, just starting to bust through that resistance there on the RSI. So things looking good for Bitcoin, guys, and the crypto market. Big news out there for the presidential candidates with crypto. That is massive. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody.